Ever bring food to work or school, but when it's break time, your food has vanished?
Hi, Anthony Sullivan here for the Fridge Locker, the easy-to-use, personal, portable food security system. Simply put your food or drinks into the Fridge Locker, set the lock to your secret combination, and now your food is secure wherever you take it. Want to keep snacks under wraps so the kids don't grab too many? Now you can help monitor what your kids eat with the Fridge Locker. Use your Fridge Locker in the fridge, freezer, or pantry, and for easy access, the door becomes a shelf. Unlike other containers, the Fridge Locker is well ventilated, so it won't trap odors. If you live with anyone who has food allergies, the Fridge Locker can store eggs, shellfish, wheat products, or anything you want to keep safe. I know what you're thinking. What prevents someone from taking the whole Fridge Locker? Well, even if you take it, you still can't get into it. It's so strong, it'll hold my body weight. Still not convinced? We put it to the ultimate strength test. This is a real live 800-pound grizzly bear, and even he's having a hard time getting into the Fridge Locker. I just hope you don't have a bear in your house. Whether you're in a dorm, office, at home, or traveling, for securing sweet snacks, alcohol, or sodas, if you want to keep it safe, put it in the Fridge Locker. Call now and get the Fridge Locker for just $19.99. But spend $20 with me today, and I'll spend $20 right back with you. Order right now, and we'll send you a second Fridge Locker for a friend or a family member, or a second fridge absolutely free. Just pay separate shipping and handling. That means you get 2 Fridge Lockers, a great value, all for just $19.99. So stop those refrigerators and keep it safe with the Fridge Locker.
To order, call 1-800-656-9046. Don't delay. Call 1-800-656-9046 now, or order online at getfridgelocker.com. 1-800-656-9046.